What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We are at the Cardinal Center, first ever Ohio Content Creators Rally.
Yep.
We don't know what's going to happen.
Nope.
It's been about 7 months in the making.
Yeah, we've been planning this for a good long while, and it's finally here. We got about 20, maybe up to 20 campers coming. They're all content creators.
Yep.
So
we're just going to have some fun, maybe learn a little bit about how to get better at creating videos.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens.
I don't know if it's going to be an annual, but to the first Ohio RV Content Creators Rally.
But it's Friday. We are here waiting for more people to show up. Our first roundtable starts in about an hour and a half. So we're going to get this thing rolling off and start getting to talk to all these other channels that are coming in. I just wanted to say, hey, what's up? And we'll catch up as soon as we start getting the ball rolling with these roundtables. But it is the first Ohio Content Creator, RV Content Creator Rally.
And I've learned a lot from them, like even like when I do bloopers now, I'm like, okay, this is real, so this is going to be part of my...
You had mentioned a different downfall to it, that like if somebody walks away...
Yes. Someone will walk away to take a phone call or to do something, but that microphone is still picking up. So if I continue doing my recording, I can hear her talking to one of the kids, you know, on the video.
So the blue dot
Is me. The arrow is the group, right? I'm going to fly over here out west and see the difference. So I'm the blue dot.
All right, so the first two sessions were done. I think they went over well. A lot of good participation with everybody. But today, Mike from Foxtrot, is it Foxtrot Adventures?
Foxtrot Adventures, yeah.
Foxtrot Adventures made his own fire starter. So we're gonna see how well this thing starts. Might end the whole fatwood discussion with me. It might end that.
Yeah, it's just an egg crate with German Shepherd dog hair and dryer lint.
Hair burns great.
And candle wax. So yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna get in down over here.
Take it on. So this is literally about 4 minutes in.
Yeah, I mean, and we did nothing. We did flow.
Yeah.
We did.
How do you quiet down a bunch of YouTubers? You put food out. Put food out.
These are real men doing real things.
hey, Boyer, just make sure you don't fall off. Levita. Fuji. Do it, Brian. Come on, Brian.
There you go. Oh, baby. Yeah. Roll Tide.
Go Bucks.
We're going to go into this round table, so everybody else...
So right back here, Brian and Michelle are teaching a roundtable about audience engagement, and it's been a lot of fun, but just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like.
As we talked about, Joni said this yesterday, she goes out and looks for trending sounds when it comes to music. When it comes to videos, are you reacting to trends that are out there? Maybe challenges that are out there?
Going to film, like and then inevitably every single time something great happens, something like we really should have had the camera rolling.
I break
But I think you have some times where you're like, hey, that's not going this weekend. We do go on vacations. Yeah.
All right, we just broke up with our 2 sessions for the day. Everybody's still chit-chatting. A lot of talk going on. Really good content. just hearing what other people have to say and hear their thoughts, their questions, because we all have them. I mean, we're not definitely great at this stuff yet, but we try to get better. That's the whole goal of this rally, is just trying to get better at YouTube. We got a break until 1:30, then we're heading to a local state park. We're going to do some work for them just to give back to the state park. So
How about you, Eric?
all right, so I think a rake's going to be not really used in this situation. Easy, Mike.
You know, we stayed at a state park before where I got in trouble for cutting down a limb. This is like the first state park I've ever been to where I cut something down and I didn't get in trouble for it.
Yeah, we don't have to get arrested.
Here we go. Welcome, open arms. Choose open arms.
I am a trained professional.
As YouTubers, we're always trying to learn what works and what doesn't. This week, we went to the first Ohio RV Content Creators Rally, and it was a fantastic weekend, creators learning from each other. We had a diverse group of campers that all contributed to our conversations. We know that all the YouTube channels at this event want to create better content that you want to watch. The thing is, YouTube isn't easy. The thing is, YouTube is tough, and if you aren't a YouTube content creator, you probably don't want to talk about algorithms, analytics, or even SEOs. But this group was the perfect place to talk shop and have a ton of fun camping with new friends. It's been said, you should learn something new every day of your life. Although I do agree with that statement, some things were meant to be a mystery. As we wrapped up this weekend, we're very thankful for all the creators that enriched our lives. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed creating it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Happy glamping.